कहानी बहुत सिंपल है दोस्त। आज का वीडियो है कॉन्सेप्ट पे। कॉन्सेप्ट का नाम है वेस्ट का वेस्ट कोलोनियलिज्म। कहानी और भी आसान हो जाती अगर मैं बस यही बात हिंदी में कह दूं, यानी पश्चिमी देशों का कूड़ा भारत में लाना या साउथ एशियाई देशों में लाना, यही काम है वेस्ट कोलोनियलिज्म का। अब वेस्ट कोलोनियलिज्म क्या है? ये जो कूड़ा है ये कैसे यहां आ जाता है? तो बेटा, ये जो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैं, जो सो कॉल्ड सस्टेनेबल कंट्रीज हैं, जो सो कॉल्ड डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज की मदद करना चाहते हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि हम ग्रो करें, इसके लिए ये क्या करते हैं ना, अपना कूड़ा एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं ताकि हम डेवलप कर पाए। क्योंकि भाई कहीं ना कहीं तो ये रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ वेस्ट जॉब क्रिएट करेगा। रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ वेस्ट एक तरीके से हमारे देश के लिए बहुत जरूरी। क्यों? क्योंकि हम नहीं कर पाएंगे वो काम जो करते हैं ये वेस्ट के लोग, यानी वेस्ट कोलोनिज्म करने वाले हमारे तथाकथित यूरोपियन और अमेरिकन कंट्रीज। अब मुझे इसके आगे ज्यादा बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, एक छोटी सी बात रखना चाहूंगा। बात सिंपल है। एआई का डेवलपमेंट, डेटा सेंटर्स के लिए प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड because there is concern of environment, there is a concern of water crisis that will lead after having a data center in your area. I agree to that point, and there are different countries which are debating around it. What about the country like India? There are protests happening in Vizag and every other place, but what is the voice value right now? The voice value is actually zero because nobody is framing, nobody is talking and discussing those things in parliament. What we are discussing in parliament will come as a law, but what we are not discussing in parliament will come as an obligation, and that is what is going to happen. What is happening right now is that those people are signing deal with maybe Amazon, Google, Microsoft, what not, and making sure that India grows AI data centers. The country which holds 18% of world's population with just 4% fresh water wants to establish a data center, and what happens? The crisis happens. The water crisis, which you just see in Mumbai for a while, which disrupted whole people and economy of Mumbai for a while, but now what is going to happen? It will disrupt your daily life. Why do we not question it? Then comes again a very concept. People say these data centers will lead to a development of jobs. Right now we are unemployed. We are going to be employed because we will be the cheap laborers for the world. And that's how the developing countries should work. That is the answer people will give you. And they will not frame it in this manner. They will frame it in a very sweet manner that you will just end up accepting it. That is how the work works. That is how the world knows how to sell people the wrong concept in a right manner. And if you do not understand the very basics of it, I should phrase it for you. Right now, India has very high rich and poor gap. Why that thing do not get addressed anywhere around the country? Why is it that? Because rich doesn't care and poor doesn't understand. That is the reason what we are facing right now. Who wants to give, right? Nobody will come up and say why this gap is happening. There will be an article in Hindu for a while in Economic Times, and you will just sleep, read, and write in your essay papers and IS exams. That's what we do. We never come up with an execution plan as a citizens of India because we do not hold someone accountable. And the moment we start holding someone accountable, there are certain kinds of people will hold us accountable for doing so. That is the reason nobody wants to question anyone. And that is the reason today I'm making a video. Tomorrow it will be deleted. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.